Okay, today we're gonna talk about computing statistics using Numpy. First of all, what you want to do is import Numpy as MP. Then what you wanna be doing is specifying a vector or an array. So first, let's specify A to be a Numpy array that is gonna be actually a vector of values 1.2.3. And we can find the minimum value of this array by using the .min function. So we can see that the minimum value of A is 1. Then we can find the mean value of A by using the .min function. And what we can see here is that the .min is 2.0. Finally, we can specify an array and compute the mean of the whole array of the whole matrix. We can also do the minimum value and the minimum value per column and per row by specifying the axis attribute. Axis equals to 0 means the minimum value for each column. Axis equals to 1 specifies the minimum value per row. So if you visualize your array, what you can see here is that here we've got 2 rows and 2 columns. So by specifying min axis equals to 0, you can see that 2 and 3 are the minimum values for each column. Then you can compute the mean value per column and row respectively. What you can see here is that the mean value for each column is 3 and 4, while for each row it's 2.5 and 4.5. You can also find the maximum value again using the same thing. And you can also find the index, the position of the minimum, by using the arg.min function. If you specify no axis, each of these functions is gonna look on the whole matrix. Whereas if you specify the axis, it's gonna be by column or by row. And we can see here that the index position of the minimum value is the upper left. It's the 0 position. It's the value of 2. While the minimum argument per column is on the 0 index, which means the first row. While for each row, it is the first element. So finally, you can use .std to compute the standard deviation of the whole array, and again, you can specify the std per column or the std per row by using the axis attributes. Boom, you are good to go. Hope this helped you quite a lot.